Good day, everyone. Learn how to enable or disable cookies in Google Chrome in any Android phone. So I'll open the Google Chrome browser in my phone, and at the top right corner where we have the three dots, we will click on that, and then we will click on Settings. Now, we need to scroll down and look for Site Settings, which is the last fourth option, Site Settings. We will click on that, and then we will scroll down more, and under Content you will find third-party cookies. We will click on that, and from here you can allow third-party cookies or block third-party cookies. All right, so this is how you can enable or disable cookies in Google Chrome browser. Please hit the like and subscribe if you find this tutorial short and helpful. Have a wonderful day.